Hey there. In this lesson, we will learn how we can copy the column as well as concatenate the value of the multiple column into the single column. Sometimes we might need to create a duplicate column of the existing column in the dataset before performing the certain operation. Personally, I don't think we need to do this because almost every dotnet column will create the new column after performing the operation. But still, this method exists, so I am showing how you can do it. Let's create a copy columns method. For now, I'm going to copy the name column to the full name column. Use the context.transform.copy column and pass the output and the input column name. Paste those three lines. Add the breakpoint at the end. Update the program.cs file. Save all the files and run the project. Open the quick watch. Expand the columns. Here you can see that it includes the new column named the full name. If you expand the value, then it includes the value from the name column. This means it just duplicates the column with same data kind as well as the value, but with the different name. If you want to copy the multiple column, then you need to use this estimator for the multiple times. For example, you want to copy the joining date to the billing date. Save the file and run the project. Open the quick watch. This time it includes the two new columns. Various trainer work with the single feature column. This means single input to the trainer. For example, sentiment analysis. We already saw that when we have the title as well as the description for performing the sentiment analysis, we need to concatenate the both value and pass it in the model. Create a new method named concatenate. For example, you want to concatenate the value of the name and the city into the single column. Use the concatenate method from the transforms catalog. Pass a name for the output column name, that is the concatenated data, and pass the name of the input column name in the params array. Paste those lines to create the model and generate the preview. Add a breakpoint at the end. Save the file and run the project. Open the quick watch. Here you can see that it includes the new column named the concatenated data. Expand it. It contains the dense factor of the size 2. And the value includes the name and the city. Let's see what we have learned in this session. Using the copy column, we can create a copy of the column. It will have the same data kind as well as the value. To copy the multiple column, we need to add the estimator multiple times. Using the concatenate method, we can concatenate the value of the multiple column into the single column. It will save all the values in the dense vector. See you in the next session.